Okay, where the previous video stopped, we were at minus 36, and then 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 3 is 9. 9 goes into 36, 4 times and 4 times 4 is minus 16. My answer is 51. Right. 6a plus b and c. This is the one I said to you, use different brackets. So 6 must be times by minus 4. B is 1. I'm going to change that bracket to a square bracket. Times 3 times minus 4 minus 6 times 2/3. Square bracket plus 12. So it's negative 24 plus minus 12. Minus 6 times 2 is minus 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. That means I have minus 24 minus 16 plus 12. So it's minus 40 plus 12. That's negative 28. Right. Last one on substitution there. So I have 9 times minus 4 times 2/3 minus minus 4 times by 1. So I have minus 36 times 2/3 minus 4 times a minus, it's a plus 1 there. Minus 4 times plus 1 is minus 4, which means so there's my mistake there. That is not, I'm just going to redo that question quickly. I made a big mistake. I forgot to add the square. That's just to show you that I'm human too. So 9 times 16 times 2/3 minus 4 times 1 is minus 4. So I have 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 times 16, it's 48, and 48 times 2 is 96. A minus and a minus is a plus. 96 plus 4 is 100. So my answer is 10. Right. So moving on to question number 10. That was quite easy. Let's just do that. So 17, so the 2 will move to the left, it becomes minus 2, so 17 minus 2 is 15, equals 4x, so it's 15 over 4. Minus 2 will move to the right, 4x will move to the left, 3x stays, and 5 stays. Minus x is equal to 7. Divide both sides by a negative, x is equal to minus 7. Plus 5 will move, become minus 5. 9 will move, becomes minus 9x. 11x stays, minus 3 stays, so 2x is equal to minus 8. Divide by 2 on both sides, x is negative 4. If I look at the next one, 12 will become minus 12, plus 18 stays, minus 3x becomes plus 3x, and 6x stays. So 9x is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 9, and simplify by dividing by 3. Some distribution, 3 times x, 3 times 2, 6 moves over, becomes minus 6, 3x equals 1, So x is 1 over 3. Right, some distribution. No, I'm lying. A half x equals minus 7 times both sides by 2. So x is equal to negative 14. Number G, distribution 4 times x is 4x, 4 times 5 is 20. Distribute 2. 20 will become minus 20, 2x will become minus 2x. 4x stays, minus 6 stays, 2x equals minus 26. Divide each side by 2, x is negative 13. Distribute the 7, I get 7x minus 7 times 9 is 63, 10x. The 63 will move, minus 63 will become plus 63, 7x minus 10x, that's negative 3x. Divide both sides by negative 3, so I'll get negative 6 divided by 3 is 2, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Minus 8 moves over, becomes plus 8, so I get 2x equals to 17. Divide both sides by 2. 17 over 2 can be simplified as 8.5. 6x stays, minus 12 goes over, 4x becomes minus 4x, 8 stays, so 2x is equal to 20. Divide each side by 2x is 10. Plus 3 will become minus 3, so a third x equals 0. If I times by 3 to get x by itself, 0 times 3 is 0. Right, 8m stays. Minus 13 becomes plus 13. 3 plus 13 is 16, therefore m is 2. Last page, I am going to times by 4 on both sides to get rid of the quarter. That means x minus 8 is equal to 12. The minus 8 moves over and becomes plus 8. X is 20. 16x stays, plus 20 becomes minus 20, 4x becomes minus 4x, minus 20 stays. So I have 12x equal to minus 40. Divide both sides by 12. I get minus 3, that's equal to 36. So 4 is left. I can simplify to minus 3 in a third. If I look at O, distribute 6 times x, 6 times 6, plus 2, 5x minus 12. 6x stays. Minus 36 plus 2 is negative 34. Must move over, so it becomes plus 34. 5x moves to the left, becomes a minus 12. So x is equal to 22. 9x stays, 18 moves over, divide both sides by 9, x is 2. 7x stays, 10 moves over, become plus 10, so 11 plus 10 is 21, divide by 7 is 3. 14x stays, plus 1 moves over, becomes minus 1, 50 minus 1 is 14. Divide both sides by 14, that means x is 1. I hope that this video with the other one will help you. Good luck, grade 8s. I'm thinking of you.